I'm sure you've heard the news. SNL just got a major shakeup. One of the 5 new cast members is a Canadian. Here's why everyone's buzzing about Veronika Slowikowska. At just 29, Veronika Slowikowska is joining Saturday Night Live's 51st season as the only Canadian and the only woman in this year's new lineup. She's already massive online, over 1 million Instagram followers, TikTok sketches that have hit 20 million views. You might recognize her from FX's What We Do in the Shadows, Netflix's Tires. With SNL's biggest cast shakeup in years, Veronika's dream come true Instagram post. All eyes are on her when SNL returns October 4th. Canada, your new comedy queen has arrived.